Good evening, guys. My name is Dhruv Bhatnagar, and I am the winner of 5 a.m. Awesome Morning Challenge, which was kept by my friend and mindset coach Sangeeta Chaudhary. And it is a great pleasure to actually complete this whole exercise, this whole challenge of 31 days, and conquering uh, the difficulties which I had faced to actually complete this 31-day challenge and wake up early at 5 a.m. Actually, I used to wake up at 4:40. I am waking up at 4:40 to just be present for the 5 a.m. session. So basically, what was the session? The session had affirmations in it, a gratitude list, and also in the beginning a meditation, a brief meditation. So felt very energetic throughout the day by taking up this challenge and doing the things. I'm very happy to have accomplished this task. It's like a achievement unlock kind of situation for me. So other than this, I'd like to add to this that the journey was a little difficult in the beginning. First week was a little tough, but I braved it out. I had just my commitment to myself that even if anyone else doesn't tell me or doesn't feel right, like uh, Sangeeta was also the person, she had kept the challenge, so didn't wanted to disappoint her, but at the same time I didn't wanted to disappoint myself. So it was very important that I took up this challenge and I completed. So it has given me a big boost, and it has motivated me to take up even more challenges and more tasks and new things to be learned in the coming future. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, I would like to add that I got a few gifts. So Sangeeta had mentioned in the first day of the session that she will be giving two gifts to two people who will be completing this challenge. But as I am the only winner and have completed the 29 day, at least 29 days I had completed, more than 29, 31 days I have completed this challenge, so I could do it, and I got uh, three gifts actually. So this is the first gift which I got, the morning, the miracle morning. This book I have to complete it in 2 weeks. So this is my commitment to myself. Should do things as soon as possible because we have limited time, so many things to do. The book is amazing, and then the second gift is what you can see here. Uh, I am awesome morning person, so this shirt I got, and another amazing thing which I got is the habit tracker book. So in this, basically we can put in our habits, what all we want to do, and we can track it, how many days we are doing it. Awesome thing. I'm going to use this for sure. Then other than this, these are the gifts and the journey. Also, I would like to say the journey was difficult, but it has given me so much, so many benefits I have reaped out of this. I can see the morning sunrise daily, and I'm able to click it. Putting status is related to that, related to myself. I'm liking it. I'm liking it very much, and I would like to continue that for sure. And other than that, also I have started. Daily workout is what I'm doing, and daily I'm doing art of living, sudarshan kriya, uh, yoga I'm doing. So really it has become an awesome morning for me, awesome morning time, very serene time, very good time. uh, Also, I've started praying regularly. I had started last month itself, but this month also continuously I'm praying. I've kept a time for praying, and I put water to plants. All that things have come up just because of this challenge. Routine has been set up. It has been great. It's been awesome actually. It has been epic. And I would like to also thank Sangeeta. I'm very grateful to her that she kept this challenge. It was a very spontaneous challenge. She told me after the session one day that this was a spontaneous challenge she had come up with, and she had posted it on 29th, I think 28th or 29th April, and I had seen it on that day, but I didn't take up the challenge until 30th April evening, and I'm so glad I did it. Very spontaneously, I just sent her a message on the Instagram DM that I am ready for the challenge. I'm taking it up. I'm going to do it, and I have done it. So great feeling altogether. And I'd like to commit to you all one more thing, that I'm going to do this 5 awesome morning routine not only for this 31 days, but even after this I'm going to continue this for 60 days, for 90 days, for 100 days. So small targets can keep us more focused. So right now is 60 days as my target. So wish me luck, guys, and I hope this also motivates many other of my friends and individuals who would like to take up this challenge, or just want to improve their life and wake up in the morning and do the things they would like to do in that extra bit of time which we get. uh, so stay safe, guys, and keep doing new things, and stay blessed. Thank you. Okay.